The benefits of vitamins for anti-aging.
As we age, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing and using nutrients from the food we eat. This is why older adults are often advised to take supplements, including vitamins, to ensure they are getting all the nutrients they need. Vitamins are essential nutrients that play a role in many of the body's key functions, including metabolism, cell growth and repair, and immunity. They can also help to protect against age-related diseases such as heart disease, stroke, cancer, and cognitive decline. While we should aim to get most of our vitamins from a healthy diet, taking a supplement can help to top up our levels and ensure we are getting enough. Here are some of the key vitamins that can help to keep us healthy as we age. Vitamin D. This vitamin is important for bone health and can help to prevent osteoporosis. It is also linked to a lower risk of falls and fractures in older adults. Vitamins are important nutrients that play a role in many biological processes. They are essential for human health and can be obtained from the diet or supplements. Vitamins have many benefits, including the prevention of chronic diseases, the promotion of healthy skin and hair, and the maintenance of vision and bone health.
They also play a role in the prevention of aging. Vitamins A, C, and E are antioxidants that can help to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. These vitamins can also help to reduce the risk of developing certain chronic diseases, such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. A healthy diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is the best way to get the vitamins you need. You can also take supplements to ensure that you are getting enough of these important nutrients.